Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about whether anyone who invested 10,000 INR in Tata Elxsi in 2000, a Tata Group company, turns into 26.33 lakhs today. Tata Elxsi commenced its business on 5th May 1989 in Bangalore, the Silicon Valley of India, to develop and promote applications of electronics, embedded system and software. Tata Elxsi is among the world leading providers of design and technology services across industries including automotive, broadcast, communications, etc. Tata Elxsi have employee workforce of 13,000 plus and it operates 36 plus work locations. If you invest 2,000 in Tata Elxsi shares, the initial investment of 10,000, you will get 212 shares. At that time, the stock was trading at 47 INR, the face value of 10. In 2000, Tata Elxsi given the 1:1 bonus ratio. So total number of shares you will get 424 shares. The face value remains 10. The total number of shares you hold is 424. The current market price is 6,210 INR and the total net investment of your is 26,33,440 INR. Tata Elxsi dividends. Total number of shares is 424 into 70. That is the dividend last year Tata Elxsi was given. Total is 29,680 INR. Approximately 30k dividend. Can I get the return like this? If you invest today in Tata Elxsi shares, you will not get return like this. Tata Elxsi grew as the large cap company, but you have to find the future Tata Elxsi like this. In the last 1 year, Tata Elxsi shares given the return of minus 25.25%. And the last 5 years, the absolute return of Tata Elxsi is 55.65%. The average return of for 5 years is 111.13%. Keynotes. Yearly, the few companies have given return like this. Infosys, Reliance, and Titan, etc. were the few multi-backers. If you want the same kind of return, do some research and invest into 20 to 25 stocks. Invest in the early stage and hold it for next 20 years. If any fundamental issue with that stock, sell immediately. And hold other stocks will give more possible to get return like this. And that's it about the video, friends. Press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow me for more financial videos.